So Luna sent me this amazing bird feeder with a camera that is solar powered. And today we are going to go ahead and hook it up. This is the perch for our birdies to go ahead and sit on. It snaps into place really easily. This you can put water or jelly, which is nice. And here we have our snack cage. They sell little suet balls that would fit perfectly in there. Over to the left, we have our fruit steak. That is perfect if you want to put an orange for the Baltimore Orioles. I love this solar panel at the top. Here is our base that was really easy to hook up to the pole. Literally just 2 screws, and that was it. After you have your screws into the pole, or however you want to hook it up, you simply set your bird feeder right on top of the mounting base, and then you tighten this small white adjustable knob that locks the feeder into place onto the pole. If you are going to hook your bird feeder up to a pole like this, I highly suggest that you have a squirrel baffle installed below the feeder to help keep squirrels and other wildlife from climbing up and disturbing the birds and tearing apart your feeder. So here she is all mounted to our pole. This is your bird's eye view, pun intended. So after you have it set up, it's really simple. I should have actually put the bird seat in here first, but this lifts up and clamps back into place so that you don't have to take it down every time you fill it up. I am a bird nerd. I love our backyard setup. We get tons of birds, and I am super excited to get some video and up close and personal clips.